How to download and install REDnote app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you on how to download and install REDnote app. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. So first of all, launch Play Store or App Store depending upon your Android or iOS device. Since I am Android user, so I'm launching Play Store and make sure that you log into your account. Proceed by tapping search icon at bottom right. Tap search bar at top. Type in REDnote and tap search icon on your keyboard. You will land on this result page where you need to make sure to choose the correct REDnote application. And now there will be the install button. Simply you need to tap install and as per your internet connection it will take a few time to download on your device. After that you will see on install and open button. You can easily tap open and use REDnote application. It will simply appear on your home screen as well. And from here you can confirm that your application has been downloaded and installed on your phone. That's it. I hope this guide worked and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe.